Welcome to our college algebra. The topic for today is we will continue from the last class, the equation of the line, but now is the point-slope form. The last class we work in the equation of the line, but in a standard form. All right. Today is point-slope form. We have in this way, this is the formula. This is the point-slope form. This is the formula. Okay, our problem for today is it says write the equation of the line going through -4, 1 and with the slope m equals -3 in the form of a linear function. All right, let me remember some concept. Okay, for instance, this we have ax plus by by equals c. This is a standard form. Just for remember you, this is easy. This x equals y, equals k equals k. This is a vertical line. Vertical line. Then we have y equals k. This is a horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, and then we have y equals mx plus b. Remember last class? This is slope, intercept, form. Okay, slope, intercept, and then we have this y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is a point-slope form. Point-slope form. Right? So that's it. So just remember to use this concept, these ideas before to continue here. So now we have this problem here, then here, and then here in this problem, x, let's see, x1 is going to be equals -4, right? -4. And then y1 is equals 1 right there. See? And the slope. And slope m equals -3, right? We have it right there, right? Using the point-slope form, using the point-slope form of equation of the line, we have, all right, so start our process. We have here, so the number right there is y minus y1 is 1, so minus 1 equals slope. How much is the slope? It's -3 times x, so x, right, x1, how much is x1? So times -4, right? -4. So this is actually, let me write this. All right. So simplify this. Next step is y equals -1 equals right here -3. Simplify this part. We're gonna have x plus 4. Remember, negative times negative is positive. So next step, y equals -1. Y minus 1 equals here -3 times x, -3x, and the negative positive is negative. Here is -12, right? -12. So our answer here for this question is 3x plus y equals -11. right? Because this is a negative here, you move it to the other side, positive, so it's negative. So this is our answer for this problem, right? Let's try to, let me write another problem for you, another problem, using this point-slope form, okay, point-slope form, but different information. Let's write problem B. So find the equation of the line, find the equation of the line through let's write the points negative 3, 2, and then just another point here as a 2, negative 4. All right. So in a standard form, this we have to use a different now point-slope form. So in a standard form, just use in a standard form. No, that's the point right here. Just write in a standard form here, and this in this case. So in this case, so let's see. We have to find the slope first. Okay, the slope here will be here. We have 2 points here. So negative 4. This is here. Remember the formula for slope: y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So it's gonna be negative 4 here, minus 2. All right, and then divided by 2, minus negative 3. Okay, negative 3. Like that. So simplify this is we simplify. We're gonna have negative 6, and then here is maybe 5. Yeah, negative times negative is positive, so 2 plus 3 is 5. So if here, because we have to find the slope, we need the slope to find the answer there. So if we let x1 equals 3, negative 3 is right here, negative 3, and y1 equals it's 2, positive 2 right here. This data, this is very important right here. So we have here, then to write in the point-slope form. Now we have all data to write, solve the problem using point-slope form. Okay, so now just write it, y minus 2 equals, remember this is our slope, negative 6 divided by 5, that is the slope, and then times x minus x1. How much is x1? X1 is a negative 3, right? Negative 3, we have it. All right, now everything is ready. Now simplify the formula, simplify all the data here. So next step is just divide, this is divide, just multiply here. So 5 times y minus 2 equals negative 6 here times switch positive, x plus 3, right? Because negative times negative is positive, so x plus x plus 3. So now next step we will have 5y minus 10 equals a negative 6 times x, negative 6x, negative 6 times 3, 18, negative 18 right there. So the equation, it says find the equation of the line. So the equation is equals here, you simplify everything, should be you move it to this side as positive. This is move, 6x plus 5y, and then you move it this over the other side. It's positive. So 18 minus negative 18 positive 10 is gonna be negative 8. So this is the equation. This is the equation of the line through this negative 3, 2 and 2, negative 4.